my family is awake. This information is inside my free guide. She's asleep. Oh, give me like a few minutes. Again, this information is inside the free guide. You'll find it in the link tree, which will be above if you're looking at this on a different. If you're watching this on TikTok, I don't know why I can't put the link tree there. I only can put my YouTube. So everyone head over to my YouTube. Tell your mother about it. Like, comment, subscribe, put it on Facebook. Okay. Everyone needs to know that there's another way to use this plant besides just smoking because it's beneficial. You know, like a lot more states have access to it. Some people only know they can just smoke. So like, why not change that? Why not work on that? Why not find someone who's trying to help you do that? And I want to help you do that with food because once you find out your grandmother knows how to infuse your favorite food, grandma, it's gonna be fantastic. Also, if you need any help trying to get precise dosing, I do have the one-on-ones that I'm doing right now. If you do want to figure out how to do it correctly, you got a whole dish you want to make, dessert, some new desserts you want to try, we can look at the recipes together. We can see what flour you have. As long as you know the THC percentage, I mean, if you're buying stuff on the black market still, it's a little bit harder, but most things are around, most things are around like 17%. I mean, the black market will tell you everything is five, that gas. And I don't know what that means for percentage wise. So, I would say stick with that and then just kind of, we can look at it together.